Hey Maker, Mel here. Today I'm going to teach you how to create your perfect lip color using Makesy's lip safe pigments and extra fine micas. When creating any lip color, the first thing that you'll want to do is establish your color direction by evaluating the pigments in the skin tone that you're creating for. For warm or yellow undertones or olive skin, look for a shade in corresponding warm colors like orangey red, brick red, and terracotta. For blue or pink tones, the best complements are shades with cool undertones like bluish and purple shades. Reach for bright cherry red that is more blue than orange, or berry shades like cranberry and plum. For neutral skin tones, a wide range of shades will work. Mauve shades work well for medium skin, pinky tones work well for fair skin, and berry shades look lovely on darker skin. Once you've identified the skin tone, you'll pick out a base pigment color that will make up the majority of your shade. For example, I have a fair complexion with slight pink undertones in my skin. Today, I'm going to make a cooler shade of pink using Makesy's Makesy Mauve as my base pigment. I want to deepen the color slightly with a little more red, so I'm going to add some Posh Plum pigment and a little magenta extra fine mica, which will add some more of those deep reds without making it too warm. Micas are excellent for adding accent color because the subtle shimmer helps diffuse the deep pigments in darker shades, making them more universal to wear. I'm going to start by measuring 1 ounce of my lip gloss base. This will make 2 lip glosses. I want this to be a more rich color, so I'm going to use a medium shade of my Makesy Mauve base that will be the equivalent of 0.04 ounces. Once I've identified my shade, I'm going to add my Makesy Mauve pigment and my Posh Plum. I just want a little more red color, so I'll be adding 0.02 ounces of Posh Plum to my 0.04 ounces of Makesy Mauve, and then adding 0.02 ounces of my magenta mica for a little diffusing shimmer. When doing your test batches, it's good to start with small amounts, test it on your lips, see how you like it, and then if you want to go darker, you can add some more pigment in small increments. As you can see, the blue reds complement my complexion nicely, and the dark colors I chose today are for a slightly formal wear. Makesy has a variety of today's most trendy lip colors, so you've got a well-rounded color palette to work from. Let your creativity go wild. We can't wait to see what you create. We've linked all these products in the description below so you can either recreate this recipe or experiment with your own. If you like this video, make sure to drop a heart in the comments and be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. Now, go make it happen.